In Reports tab you will see all your reports that you have created earlier. You can view the reports or can also edit it with this edit button. To create report, click Create Report in General, type in the name of the report. Next select the report type. There are two types available, Table or Table plus Summary Report. Table reports. A table report provides a detailed list of process instances that match specific criteria. Table plus Summary Report. A table plus summary report not only lists the instances of a process, but also includes a comprehensive summary of process information. This report is enhanced with visual data representations, such as charts, to facilitate easier understanding and analysis. When you will select the Table plus Summary Report, you will have one more tab Summary at the top. List the users you want to allow to view the reports. In Table Data tab, select the columns you want to show in the report. The columns are fields that are associated with the process. In Label, you can give the easy-to-understand names to the column. Select all the required columns and add their labels. Next you have the Sort options. You can first select the column you want to sort the data with. You can also then select the sorting order of the column, ascending or descending. In the Summary tab, you can customize the data to be included in your report. Summary Data column. Select the columns you want to include. Add a label for each column. Choose how the values in the column will be summarized: count, sum, average, minimum, or maximum. Select all the required columns and add their labels. Check the Create Chart for Summary option to generate a chart based on your summary. The chart will use the selected group as its category and the specified summary columns as its values. Select the type of chart. Provide a suitable title for your chart. Choose the colors for the chart. Data Filter tab. Add filters to your report. Provide a label for each filter. Select any variable from the list of available values. Choose the operator from the drop-down menu, and all available options will be listed. Add more filters. Enter the label, select the summary column, select the operator, and enter the department name. Footer Data tab. Select the columns for the Table Data Footer and Summary Footer to display data in the report's footer. Click on Generate Report to create your report. Once generated, your report will appear here, and you can click on it to view the details. The title of your chart will be displayed at the top. At the bottom, you will see a table listing all your report's columns along with their data. Happy BitAffixing!